Welcome everyone. Now we'll start exercise 9.1, question number 1. Okay, first you read the question carefully. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with ground level is 30 degrees. So by seeing this question, first of all you try to draw the figure. Okay, if your figure is correct, then you will get your answer. If it is wrong, then you will not get. Okay, so now see, a circus artist. Suppose this is the height of the tent, and suppose this is the position of the circus artist, and you join this. This is the distance of the base of the distance of the foot of the height to that circus artist, and this is the rope. This is the length of the rope, and the circus artist is climbing from this point to in this way, means it is hypotenuse. So length is 20 meter. Okay, so suppose this angle is ABC, and this length of the rope is 20 meter, and this is angle of elevation. Okay, because it is going from bottom to top, so this is angle of elevation 30 degree. So you have to find the height of the pole. Means AB is the height of the pole. So this you need. So I have taken this as H. So now see the solution of this. Let AC be the length of string. Rope is equals to 20 meter, and height of the pole, that is AB, is equals to H meter, and this angle ACB, the theta is 30 degree. Angle is 30 degree. So now you see in triangle ABC. See this angle is always right angle triangle because this is height and this is base. So always you have to draw right angle triangle. So in triangle ABC, see this angle is given, hypotenuse is given, and perpendicular is needed. It means that in trigonometry ratios, the relation between height and hypotenuse means which ratio is that? Some people have perpendicular by hypotenuse. So in this case we have to use sine. Okay, so sine theta is equals P by H. So here sine 30 degree. P means P is AB and H is AC. H is AC. Now just to put the values. Sine 30. What is the value of sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2 is equals to AB is, suppose this is H, or you can take it as AB only. So AC equals to 20. So do cross multiplication. 2 into H is equals to 1 into 20. Therefore H equals to 20 by 2. Cancel it 10. Okay. Therefore at last you have to write therefore height of the pole. Therefore height of the pole AB is equals to 10 meter. Okay. So in this way you have to find the height of the pole by using this. Okay. Thank you.